Hi guys, here's May from OK Storage. Many people do not know that pallet racking system can help us save much space in many fields. So today I want to talk about it with you. So where you think we can install the pallet racking? I think most people will see that big factories of manufacturing such as e-commerce, food and beverage, cold storage, warehouse or some other fields that need a big warehouse to store much goods. But can we use it for our own life or some small places? Of course it can. Firstly, let we talk about the first one used in big warehouse. For different working fields, there are different kinds of pallet racking systems to choose from. For example, some small warehouse used as a career transfer would like to install some medium-duty rack to save much space. We can see many stations for parcel in our life. The most commonly used items in the logistics industry are this type of racking. It can modernize the management system of the warehouses used for logistics, and this does bring a lot of convenience. By placing the items on the pallet racking, not only do they find a place where they can be placed, but the products on them are not crushed against each other and the shape of the products can be preserved intact, thus causing less damage. It is also very easy to place or pick up, and the management can count the quantities on them very accurately to ensure that each item has a clear and detailed plan. And in today's era of rapid e-commerce development, some large e-commerce warehouses have gradually begun to use intelligent storage. Examples include Alibaba and Jingdong's on-management intelligence warehouse. In addition to the large warehouses where our racks are used, they also can be found in some of more common shops. Examples include large supermarkets such as Sam's Supermarket, E-Court, and so on. On a smaller scale, there are some such as the library, schools, and many other places. Besides of above fields, in clothing industry there are many long clothes material, so cantilever rack I think is the most suitable racking. Also, we can see our racks in fields of food and beverage. This type of goods are time sensible, so they are suitable for radio shuttle pallet racking or driving pallet racking, so that they can be stored according to different types of food or their different using time or best before date. Because of the material we used in manufacturing the pallet racking system, they can be installed in cold environment. So for some cold industrial warehouse, pallet racking system also can do an important role in saving storage space. What is your working field about? Is the pallet racking system helpful for you, or any other places you think can use our racking? Leave your comments and talk with us.